So let's create black and white image, and for this you just need to use a quick selection tool. You can use whatever area you want to use. Just quickly select the area. I have selected this much of area for that. So I'm gonna use the tools like from the adjustments. From here I can use saturation or a black and white tool as well. So let's see, I'm gonna use this saturation tool. Now I will be doing like this. So you can see that the image changes from color to the black and white one, and in this way you can create the black and white image with the colored image. Okay, so let's create a black and white image with the crack of colored image. So for that, what we need to do is use the quick selection tool, and then we'll be selecting the area that we want to be colored one, and other will be the discolored one. And now select inverse so that the selection will be made into the inverse one. Go to adjustments, black and white, and there we go. We can do whatever kind of adjustments we want to do from here, like this, or whatever. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching.